Hello, my name is Luke Flegel, and today we're going to be analyzing the CEO of JetBlue Airlines deliver an apology for not having good customer service during severe snowstorms that caused many people to miss flights and have 24-hour layovers, and was a huge fiasco. So we'll go ahead and once the video loads, we're gonna go ahead and let it play all the way through, and then kind of I'll talk about what he did, and just kind of break down his body language and stuff like that during the course of his apology delivery. So,
Dear JetBlue customers, just wanted to introduce myself. I'm David Nealman. I'm the Chief Executive Officer and founder of JetBlue, and I have a quick message for you that I want to share with you. Obviously, the events of the past week that have been well documented in the press are really something that obviously is the most difficult time in our history. And as really all challenges, as when they come your way, there are a couple things that you can do. You can ignore it and pretend like it was an aberration, or you can do an examination and determine if there's something that you can do internally to make sure that never happens again. And I wanted to assure you, as the CEO of this company, that the events that transpired last week and the way that they transpired will never happen again. I just want to outline a few things that we're doing within the next 7 days. And over the next 30 days. Number one, all non-airport crew members at JetBlue will be badged and ready and trained to go to the airport in the case to help out our crew members to turn airplanes and to get things going during these very difficult times. Number two, we are making provisions with our reservationists and being able to spool them up quickly so that if you have a problem, it'll be much easier to get through on the phones and talk to us, and so we can change your reservation in the event your flight is canceled or changed. And number three, we are beefing up the organization that is in our headquarters building. That is, and this really got to the heart of where our challenges were when all these flights were canceled. That organization, to be able to pair the pilots and the flight attendants with the airplanes was overwhelmed, and so we're beefing that up. We're being able to triple the size of that organization in an irregular operation so that we can quickly pair everybody up so that event doesn't go to day 2 or day 3. And if it does, there are consequences for us based on our new JetBlue Customer Bill of Rights. So we want you to have confidence in us. We've been here for 7 years. We've taken care of you for 7 years. This will be an aberration because we are going to make some major changes in our organization.
So, that's pretty much it for the video. He doesn't change any of his speaking habits or anything like that for the remainder of it, and just kind of for essence of time, we'll break down. He uses his hands quite a bit, which isn't it's not bad, but it's not great. You can definitely tell that he's nervous about speaking here, and definitely nervous about getting what he wants to say out to his customer base, as they've been getting grilled pretty hard in the media about their delays in response to a recent snowstorm, and that they were very ill-equipped for just the task at hand. And so he's really wanting to stress this point to the public, to their customer base, that they did mess up, but it won't happen again. And I think he does a very good job of that, and he's very sincere in his delivery and what he's talking about. So I thank you guys for watching this video, and catch you later.